I found out that I have broken links on almost all of my video descriptions. All of the links are for my social media account. So in this video, I will show you how I found out, then what the problem was, and lastly, how I can fix it in a few minutes without needing to go to each video to fix it. I use Tubebuddy extension and I use it with a Legend subscription. They also have a free version, but for me, I found out that this helps me manage my YouTube channel better. Those tools are from the paid subscription. One of the tools Tubebuddy gives me is searching my video after I upload them, and then it gives me a report of what I can improve. I probably got all of the reports, but I didn't pay much attention to them. Today I opened one of the reports and found out that I have broken link on my social media. This is something I have on all of my video descriptions. So first, let's fix the videos. The reason the links didn't work is that I didn't have HTTP at the beginning of the link. So I fixed one video manually. I opened the video description and changed it. Next, I opened the video on YouTube and looked at the description to see if it's clickable. This time, all of the links work. So now I know that I can copy that and use it on all of the videos. While I can go to all of the videos on my channel and change it manually, I do think that if you have a tool that can save you time, you should use it. Tubebuddy also has a tool to find and replace content in the video description and titles. To open that tool, I open my YouTube Studio. In the Content tab, I open the Bulk and Misc Tools menu. This is the first tool there. I copy the text I have on the video description for one of the video I haven't fixed yet. Then I add that to the first box. Next, I go to the video that I checked and was fixed and copy the same text with the HTTP and paste that in the second box. Then I click next. On the next page, I ask the tool to find all of the videos I have with this text. If you have a few hundreds or thousands videos that have a problem, then check the option to find the next 50 videos so it won't take forever to fix it. Next, I go to the page where I can choose which videos I want to fix. This time I just check them all because I want everything to be fixed. Then I click next. On the next page, I say, yes, I do want to make the changes, and it starts to work. It can take a few minutes if you have a bunch of videos. You can see in green on the right side what was fixed. And on the left, there are some videos that it couldn't fix. After it finished, I copy all of the video that it didn't succeed to fix in fixing and paste that on a different file. Next, I open the tool again and do the same thing. Just this time I can add the list of videos on the next page instead of asking the tool to find everything. On the next page, I found out that it still couldn't fix the videos. So I click on the arrow on the video and open it in different tab. Then I changed the description manually. And when I did that, I found out that it couldn't change it because this video description reached the maximum characters and it couldn't save the changes. So I open all the videos one by one from the find and replace tool that didn't work, and then I edit that and deleted some of the other text so it will fit. If you have a lot of videos that have that problem, you can choose to copy from the original text in the first box more text, and then in the new version without the added text so it will fit the description. I didn't care to do it for a few videos. I have everything in one click from the tool. But if I had to change more videos, probably I would have deleted the text with the find and replace tool. Now, the last thing to do after I finish changing all of the socials on the descriptions of the video is to go to the source of the default upload. This is in the setting tab, then default upload. There I have the text I have on all of my videos and I need to change it there so it will not be a problem on future videos. That's it. If you want to test Tubebuddy for free, you can find the link in the description. But all of the tools I talked about in this video are from the paid membership. If you want to learn more about how to use Tubebuddy, then check the full playlist. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.